Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I was just playing around tonight, and there's never been a better scenario to make a clone of something. I'm going to show you how I drew this completely by accident. I was just playing around, but if you have a clone, you can change it. Look what happens. You can change so many things in the drawing and make it look totally different. And look what see it in real time, I call it. Just moving stuff around. I've got it on the elliptical now. Anyway, I was just playing around with a six-sided polygon tonight and trying to make something work. So I thought I'd just go through the steps. I'm going to make a six-sided polygon. I'm going to hit P, and a six-sided will go in the center of the page equally. I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and corners, and I am going to go like 4 inches. And that's probably too much, but let's go 2 and see what happens. You know what? Let's go 2.5. Anyway, then I took just a square and I rotated it 45 degrees, and I hit P and put it in the center of the page. That's a little bit big. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and make it a little bit lower. So I wanted something that would rotate in this and have kind of a shape to it. And I kept playing with it, and it just kind of proves to the point that you can almost make anything work by rotating. So we're going to take this and put it right there on that edge. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees because that's what the square is. And then I'm going to just kind of Control D and alternate C and rotate that 135 degrees to get around the other side. So I thought that would look pretty cool. So I took my virtual segment delete key and I deleted that line. And then I filled that in with the Smart Fill tool. Now, you don't know if it's going to work yet. So what we're going to do, I've nudged it twice. I'm going to nudge this over twice, put this back, and I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 60 degrees. I must not be in a center. Well, let's see. That's why you really need to set your nudge. Yeah, ought to be like right there. Okay. That's why you need to set your nudge factor, and I'm fixing to set mine let's set it on like 10 inches. Now, Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 60 degrees. But see, you get some interference from the other parts. So I just started going, well, I want it, so 60 degrees actually causes a problem with the round part because we need these to be on the round parts. So let's try deleting this line. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. I should have deleted that other line. It's always better to see it in hairline or line form. Control D, alternate C, 60 degrees. And see, it doesn't work, but because it's leaving that part right there. So now let's try deleting that part and deleting that part and make a whole new shape. Let's see if this will work. I nudged it once, nudge that over, nudge it back, take away the fill, add the outline, Control D, alternate C, and 60 degrees. So we're getting that overlapping. Well, you know what? Let's just fill this in. So now I nudged it twice, nudge it twice back, left click, right click, Control D, alternate C, 60 degrees, see, and then it works. And it's perfect. Now, well, it's not perfect, but that's how I came up with the other one. you just start deleting lines. So let's take one of them and fill it in. And let's move this out of the way and nudge it back down. Now I'm going to go to edit and clone it. And I'm going to move it out of the way. And that is our clone curve. This is our control curve. So I'm going to move it far out of the way and move that back. Control D, alternate C, 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now you can move this wherever you want to. Take the interactive fill tool and watch the magic happen. If we put a little black, so I don't think I've ever done a design where the clone tool, especially in something like this, is going to help you. I mean, look at how you can change that. And, you know, you could add another color. Probably wouldn't suggest it, but, you know, then move this color out. I mean, look how you can get some really weird effects. I don't like that. So we'll take that away. And then you could always try elliptical, put that in the middle, you know, spin this around and just look at the different shades of color that you're going to get just by moving this handle around. Anyway, so play around drawing and you'll learn stuff like that, like this right here. I had no clue when I started. It kind of looks like a camera iris in a way. Anyway, just playing. Hope that helped someday, and thank you for watching.